Hi investors, this is Amit from the Waya team. Today is the 12th of March and I'm here to provide you with a weekly report. Nifty closed at 1% lower for the week, Bank Nifty saw cut of 2% and Midcap Index remained flat. As mentioned in the last weekly update, the Nifty continued uptrend on Monday and Wednesday. It hit the major resistance at 17,800 level and retraced thereafter. Nifty ping pong between 17,300 and 17,800 level continues. Until Nifty breaches this range decisively on either side, the range bound action is likely to continue and we might see sector rotation and stock specific action. We issued a buy recommendation for Coromandel International this week. Technically, stock has given breakout from a descending triangle pattern and is consolidating in narrow range of 900 to 935 levels. Fundamentally speaking, this is India's largest fertilizer company and will benefit from record high Rabi production anticipated for 2023, as well as softening raw material prices that will also support margin expansion. We expect the stock to rise soon. Let me share you the update about the existing and the open calls. Datamatics. This company is into IT service. Price is taking support at 200 DMA and this narrow consolidation is expected to break out soon. We recommend investors to hold on the stock. Mass Financials, this company which belongs to the NBFC industry, has an outstanding history of asset quality and growth. Technically, the stock is strong support near 800 levels and is ready to rise once the Bank Nifty situation improves. AU Small Finance Bank, this company is from the banking sector. Fundamentally, it's fast growing bank on expansion mode across India. Technically, the stock is consolidating at 50 and 200 day moving average levels of around 623. We expect stock to rise soon. Allow me to give you a quick rundown of the important news flows from the Indian market. Demand from FMCG went up last month across India as Kirana stores stocked up their shelves in anticipation of hot summers. Segment wise, beverages sales increased by 84% in February over month on month basis and 4.3% compared to February of 2022. The month of March to July account for almost 60% of total volumes for carbonated beverages. Keep a track on Varun Beverages stock, which produces carbonated drinks for Pepsi India. Second, India's power plant and coal mines are reaching their maximum capacity as a result the country's rapid electrification and surge in industrial activities. Because of this, all power sector stocks like NTPC and Coal India are rising. Third, the management of Lemon Tree has stated the hotel rates are expected to rise annually for the next 4 years. Hotel industry demand is growing at 10% while supply is growing at 5%. Therefore, management expects 20% growth for the business in FY24. Our view is to continue to hold the hotel stocks and add at every depth for the next 12 months, especially in the companies like Lemon Tree. Let me now talk about the international market. US market fell sharply over the week. Key reasons were twofold. One, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stated that the interest rate would increase more than what policymakers had anticipated. Second, the startup focused lender Silicon Valley Bank shut down by regulator. It is the second largest US bank failure in the history. Shares in Europe fell along with the global markets due to the concern about the stress in the banking system. In the last week, audio bites, we were right on the textile industry uptake, so many textile related stocks go up. In the coming week, we should pay attention to stocks like SW Solar, JSW Energy, Hitachi Energy, and Inox Wind, as power consumption is expected to increase nationwide. We have been working incredibly hard to find trade opportunities, and whenever we find, we'll share the trading calls. For today's bulletin, that is it. Wishing you a great trading week ahead. Good night.